Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 audio balance. So to do this, go ahead and right click on the speaker icon on the lower right hand side and click on sound settings. Within this section, scroll down and you will find an option that says more sound settings. Click on that. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find your speaker that you want to do the balance for. So let's use this one as an example. Click on speaker, then click on properties. Now from here, click on levels from the tabs here and click on balance. From here, you can balance them. So whether it's going to say 0, 0, or it's going to say 50, 50, you want to go ahead and balance them to whatever you want. So I'm going to say I want these to be around 50 each, or you can even type it in if you want. So you can type in 50. So from here, you just want to go ahead and balance them to ensure that they're both the same. So I'm going to put these to about the same here. But once you're satisfied, all you have to do is go ahead and click on OK. And that's it, guys. That's how you're able to balance your audio in Windows 11. Very easy and very simple.